Have you ever studied English for years, memorized grammar rules and vocabulary, yet still freeze the moment you try to speak? You're not alone. I've seen thousands of students face that same wall of fear. Hi, I'm Emma Lane, your English coach. I created this 30-day shadowing challenge to help you finally speak naturally without translation or hesitation. Today, we'll conquer one of the scariest parts: English phone calls. You'll master 10 golden phrases that native speakers use every day and sound confident and professional by the end of this lesson. Ready to turn fear into fluency? Let's begin day 3 together. The secret to speaking English naturally isn't learning more grammar, it's training your reflexes. The shadowing method means listening and repeating instantly, just like an echo. Instead of thinking in your native language, your brain learns to react in English automatically. Start simple. Talk about your daily life, work, food, friends, routines, before chasing advanced topics. Native speakers don't use complicated words. They use easy words in powerful phrases. Through shadowing, you'll copy pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence until English flows naturally from you. No more translation, no more panic, only fluent, effortless speaking. Today's challenge is one of the hardest for English learners' phone conversations. Have you ever seen an unknown number and felt your heart race? Or found every excuse to avoid calling in English? That fear ends today. On day 3, I'll guide you through mastering phone confidence step by step. You'll learn 10 golden sentences that every native speaker uses when answering or making a call. These phrases are polite, professional, and sound completely natural. They'll help you manage any conversation from a doctor's appointment to customer service. By the end of this lesson, you won't fear phone calls anymore. You'll handle them smoothly and confidently, just like a native English speaker. Let's pick up the phone and begin. Here are your 10 golden sentences for every English phone call. They're short, polite, and natural, exactly how native speakers talk daily. Each line builds your confidence and professionalism. Practice them until they feel automatic, and you'll never freeze on a call again. Now it's time to bring those sentences to life. Let's practice a real conversation, Alex, booking a dentist appointment. You'll see how all 10 golden phrases appear naturally in a smooth, realistic dialogue. Imagine you're part of this conversation. Repeat after me and shadow every line. Good morning, Smile Dental Clinic. This is Emma speaking. How can I help you today? Hello, I'd like to make a dental appointment, please. It's for a teeth cleaning. Of course. May I ask, who's calling? This is Alex Chen. Thank you, Alex. One moment, please. Let me check our schedule. We have Tuesday at 3 p.m. or Friday at 10 a.m. available. Friday at 10 a.m. works perfectly. Excellent. Let me write that down for you. Friday, March 22nd, at 10 a.m. for teeth cleaning. Can I get your phone number? Sure, it's 555-0198. I'm sorry, could you repeat that? The line is a bit unclear. Of course. Fem, nulet ni ot. Perfect, got it. Is there anything else I can help you with? No, that's everything. Thank you so much for your help. You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. This entire exchange uses only 10 simple phrases, yet it sounds polite, professional, and completely natural. Notice how each sentence flows smoothly, connecting one idea to another. This is how native English speakers actually communicate. No complicated grammar, no fancy vocabulary, just confidence and clarity. Practice this dialogue several times a day until your speech feels effortless. Remember, repetition builds rhythm and reflex. The more you shadow, the more your English becomes instinctive. Now that you've mastered the conversation as Alex, it's time to level up by switching roles. Real communication means understanding both sides of a conversation. In this round, you'll play both the caller and the receptionist, practicing how to listen, respond, and react naturally. This step transforms passive learners into confident speakers. Let's start with round 1. You are the caller, and I'll be the receptionist. Repeat each line after me. Remember to pause, breathe, and speak clearly. Good morning, Downtown Medical Center. This is Emma speaking. How can I help you today? Hello. I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Kim, please. Of course. May I ask who's calling? This is Your name. End of section. Thank you. One moment, please. Let me check Dr. Kim's schedule. What type of appointment do you need? I need a general checkup. Perfect. We have Monday at 2 p.m. or Wednesday at 11 a.m. Which works better? Monday at 2 p.m. Sounds great. Excellent. Let me write that down for you. Is there anything else I can help you with? No, that's everything. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. And gut. Now, let's move to round 2 this time. You're the receptionist, and I'll be the caller. You'll experience what it feels like to manage the conversation from the other side. Good morning, Downtown Medical Center. This is your name. How can I help you today? Hello, I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Kim, please. Of course. May I ask who's calling? This is Emma. Thank you. One moment, let me check Dr. Kim's schedule. What type of appointment do you need? I need a general checkup. Perfect. We have Monday at 2 p.m. or Wednesday at 11 a.m. Which works better? Monday at 2 p.m. sounds great. Excellent. Let me write that down for you. Is there anything else I can help you with? No, that's everything. Thank you so much for your help. You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. You too, goodbye. By switching roles, you learn both perspectives how to start, continue, and close a professional conversation smoothly. This dual practice builds not only your listening and speaking skills, but also your confidence in real-life English communication. Keep repeating until you can speak both roles naturally, without reading. Now that you've practiced both roles, it's time to lock in your progress with 4 daily missions. Mission 1. Repeat the 10 golden sentences 5 times a day, morning, noon, afternoon, evening, and before bed. Mission 2. Shadow the full conversation until you can match my tone and rhythm naturally. Mission 3. Record your own voice and listen carefully. Hearing yourself helps you grow confident and aware. Mission 4. Focus on clear pronunciation. It's not about accent, it's about being understood. These missions may seem simple, but they train your reflexes and build real speaking habits. Do them consistently for 30 days, and you'll feel your English transforming fluent, confident, and unstoppable. Many learners fear speaking fast, not understanding accents, or freezing mid-sentence. Don't worry, I'll teach you slow down and clarification phrases to stay calm and confident. Every hesitation is progress. The goal isn't perfection, it's communication, and with practice, confidence always follows. This isn't just about learning English, it's about transforming who you are. Every phrase you master rewires your brain for confidence. I've seen students go from avoiding English to embracing every conversation. Each correct repetition creates new neural pathways, turning fear into fluency. By day 30, you won't think before speaking English will simply flow. You'll communicate with ease, connect deeply, and express yourself freely. Remember, every time you practice, you're building the confident version of yourself who's ready for new opportunities, new friendships, and a new life, all through the power of English. Are you ready to commit for 30 days? Comment below, say, Emma, I'm ready. If you're excited, or I'm nervous, but I'll try, if you need courage. Either way, I'll be here to guide you. Subscribe, follow, and join me tomorrow for another day of English transformation. Let's grow together.